guys, welcome to my channel, Lil'Chef. So today we're gonna try to make kung pao chicken and teach you how to make kung pao chicken. First, mix soy sauce and corn in the chicken. So mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce with half a spoon of corn, one and a half spoon of corn. So I mixed it up, and now your chicken should look like this. Now soak the mix. So hey guys, so now your chicken should be soaked and mixed like this. It should look like this. Now for 10 minutes. Now I mix the corn with water, and your corn should be very liquidy. Mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now mix 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now mix 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. This is what hoisin sauce is. You mix 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar in it. That was very liquidy. And now you mix it. So we're gonna pour it into 2 splashes of chicken broth. Now all of our preparations are ready. Switch on the stuff and cook. So now I'm gonna pour the Caesar oil, and now you want to pour it. Now you add dry red chilies, and then you saute it for 30 seconds. Now add ginger and garlic and saute it again for 30 seconds. Now you add the marinated chicken and cook it until it's half done. So now that we marinated the chicken, once the chicken is half done, we add onions. And if you have spring onions, you can add them. And we also add capsicum. So now the sauce that we mixed with all the soya and all the sauce, now we're gonna mix it in there. Now we're done. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're done mixing. Now for the main part of kung pao chicken, we added roasted peanuts. That's what gives it a really kind of yummy taste. With the roasted peanuts, and if you want a bit more watery, you can add some more chicken broth. Now for the tip and last sprinkle, spring onions. Have to keep on sprinkling like this. All right, now we'll mix it up, and then we're gonna be done. Like, comment, and subscribe this channel. Let me taste it. So yummy. I'll just give you the juicy and tongue. I'm busy eating. See you guys in the next video.